Tip number 10, anticipate security review. So Mark, we talked about talking to IT directors about securing devices already, but you're saying that integrators and consultants should also prepare to be reviewed. Can you explain that?
All right, okay. So over 10 years doing this for a large financial company, and financial companies actually tend to be even more secure than governments, but probably close second to pharmaceuticals. Every device that's going to go on the network, now again, this is larger companies. Smaller companies, if they may have gotten burned and they got to this point too, or they will get there, every device that goes on the network has to be security reviewed. And it has to be lab tested as well. So anticipate that review. And the best thing to do is start with the network diagram. Believe it or not, when those security reviews happen, it's a conversation. It's not like some sort of, watch show, I'm going to show and tell with a piece of hardware. They're going to ask questions, very probing questions about the strategy of the device itself, how it's applied. This goes back to the manufacturer and the manufacturer specifications. You're going to want them at your side to be able to answer some really tough questions. These are hired hackers for the extent that they are bought to be able to penetrate and be asking penetrating questions. So you're not putting devices that will penetrate the network. So you want to provide all the information you can, and don't hide anything. You really want to share any concerns that you have, because if you're better to be seen as a contributor and not be, okay, you got a project schedule, and this may impact the project schedule, but if they uncover a risk that you should have known about, you're going to have a lot of responsibility in explaining to do. So engage as early as possible. Get the manufacturer to be there at your side to explain how this is working, and then have a backup plan. If the device is rejected, you don't want that to stop the complete design.